11,
11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 19,
17,
17,
18, 19, 22,
20, 21 తర్వాత
22, 23, 24,
23,
23,
4,
24, 25, 26, 28,
27,
27, 28, 29, 30,
30,
31,
30,
33, 34, 35, 36, 38,
37,
37, 38, 39, 30,
40.
40,
చెప్పు 41,
41,
42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 40, 20,
50.
50,
40, 20, 30. Oh my God. Okay, good, Rohita. Next is Nukshita. Mute yourself, Rohita. Thank you. Nukshita. Nukshita. Good morning, Nukshita. Come on, throat count 1 to 50, Nukshita. Fast counting, okay? Fast counting.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 17,
16,
17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30,
31,
31, 32,
32,
33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39,
40, 40, 41,
41, 42, 43, 44, 46,
45,
45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50.
50. Okay, very good, Nukshita. Thank you so much. Mute yourself, Jahnavi. Jahnavi. Jahnavi, good morning. Come on, road count, Jahnavi. 1 to 50. Jahnavi. Come on. Start. 1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 17,
16,
18, 17, 18, 19, 21,
20,
24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39,
40,
40, 42, 41, 42, 50, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49,
50.
50.
Very good, Jahnavi. Next is Nitek.
Yes,
Who's that?
ma'am.
Yes, somebody said good morning.
Dev
Yeah, good
Krishna.
morning. Yeah, good morning, Dev Krish.
Bye.
Very good morning, Dev Krish. Okay. Okay, next I'll ask you, Dev Krish. Okay, I'll finish off with Nitek and I'll come to Dev Krish. Okay, be ready, Dev Krish. Come on, Nitek. 1 to 50. Good morning, Farnaz.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39,
39, 40,
40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50.
50. Very good, Nightek. Good, Nightek. Dev Krish, are you ready, ma? Fast counting, Dev Krish. Fast counting. Good morning, Satvika.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Sure.
Say. Yeah, good morning, Satvika.
31. 40. 40.
40.
40. 40. அப்புறம் 41.
41.
41. 50.
50. 50, 50, 50. Okay. Very good, Dev Krish. Very good. Yeah, my sweetheart, Dev Krish. Very good, Dev Krish. Next is Parnas. Dhanvin, have you joined? I can't see that.
Nani man.
Is Dhanvin there?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. சொல்லுமா?
1 minute, 1 minute. Parnas, 1 minute, ma.
Okay.
Okay, Dhanvin, be ready, Dhanvin. Okay, after Parnas, I'll ask you. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Now, Parnas, come on.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 33, 37, 38, 39, 50,
40. 40.
41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 43, 47, 48, 49, 50.
Very good, Parnas. Wonderful, Parnas. Thank you so much. Dhanvin, are you ready? Yeah, come on, Dhanvin. Fast, Dhanvin. After Dhanvin, I'll be asking Kartikeyan. Kartikeyan, be ready, okay? After Dhanvin, you have to say, okay, ma? Fast, you have to say. Very fast. Okay, thank you so much, Parnas. Dhanvin, come on.
31.
40.
41.
50. We have to focus the camera on your face. Then only we can see your face, or else we can't see. Yes, Dhanvin's mom? Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
screenplay, direction and all we have to do for him. Very good, Dhanvin. Wonderful, Dhanvin. Next, Kartikeyan, are you ready? Good,
Yes, ma'am.
Dhanvin.
Next month.
Start fast.
3,
Sound down.
4,
Sound.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 16, 17, 18, 19,
31,
31, 32, 34, 35, 36,
33, 33,
34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 30.
40,
40.
41,
41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50.
Very good. Darshika, good morning. Very good, Kartikeyan. Darshika. Darshika. Good morning, Darshika. Can you count, Darshika? Darshika. Yes, count, ma. Come on, count.
1,
How much you know, you count. No problem.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 17, 18, 19, 21,
20.
20.
21, 22, 23, 26,
She knows only till
26. Okay, no problem, no problem. Okay, thank you, Darshika. I'll note down, okay? Thank you. And then who else? Satvika, ready? Satvika. Satvika, are you ready, Satvika? Yeah, come on, count, Satvika. Fast. Time up. Next, Tarnika, be ready. Fast, Satvika. Fast counting.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20,
21.
21, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30.
31.
31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 34,
Oh, 35, 36.
35, 36, 37, 38, 39,
40. 40.
41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49.
50. Very good. Vishank, are you ready, Vishank? Vishank.
Yes, ma'am.
Satvika, mute yourself, Satvika. Thank you so much. Yeah, count fast, Vishank. Satvika.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 15,
14,
14.
15,
16,
16, 18,
17.
17,
Slowly, Vishank. Vishank, after 15. 15.
19,
Start from
Oh my
15.
God. 16. From 16.
16,
16.
10,
16.
16. 16. Look at me. Look at me.
Look at ma'am, look at
16.
16,
17.
17,
18.
19,
sound as well.
20,
21.
21, 22, 23, 24, 25,
26.
26, 27, 28, 29, 26,
30.
31,
30.
Sound as
31.
30.
31.
31, 33,
Sound up.
33, 34, 35, 36,
37.
36,
37.
37,
38.
38, 39, 40,
40.
41.
41.
41,
42.
42,
43,
43,
44,
44,
45,
45,
46,
46,
47,
47,
48,
48,
49,
48,
50.
50.
50. Okay, thank you so much, Vishank. Very good, Vishank. Okay, children, time up. We'll start our session, okay? Okay, stand up, all of you. Join your hands and close your eyes. Come on, children. Stand up, all of you. Join your hands and close your eyes. Yeah. Who's that, ma? Yes. Yes. Oh, Tilakar. Sorry, Tilakar. Ah.
And say,
Very good. Tilakar.
Vanilla mom.
Yeah. Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Ma'am,
mama.
Deva Rakshita has joined in the name of Kalpana.
Sorry, I can't hear you, mama.
Deva Rakshita has joined.
Darshika. Darshika already joined, no?
Deva Rakshita, ma'am.
1 minute, 1 minute, ma'am. Yeah, ma'am. Sorry, ma'am. Tell. Deva Rakshita, ma'am.
has joined in the name of Kalpana. Okay?
Okay, ma'am. I'll see.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Tilakar, sorry to interrupt you, Tilakar. Okay, I'm not able to hear you. 1 minute, okay? Okay. Till what number you counted? Now also I'm not able to hear. I don't know. Okay, sorry, I don't know.
22, 24, 23, 27,
28, 29, 29, 30. Till 30 is enough for Tilakar. Okay, Tilakar? 30 is enough, Tilakar. Okay. Okay. Thank you so much, Tilakar. No, bye. No, bye. Join your hands and close your eyes. No, bye. I'm not going to leave you. Yes, you must stay. Okay, children, all of you join your hands. Close your eyes. It's the anthem. Everyone mute yourself. Everyone mute yourself. Come on. Join your hands and close your eyes. It's the anthem. You are within me. You are infinite. You are unique. My potential inside. You are the wings beneath my flight. You define me. My potential inside. Today I pledge with all my might. I shall achieve you. My potential inside. Yes, open your eyes, children. Good morning. Good morning, everyone. Ready for the attendance? Siddharth, I'll ask you, Siddharth. Okay? When we have free time, I'll ask you. Okay? Definitely. Okay, Siddharth, or else tomorrow I'll ask you. Okay? We are already running out of time. So I'll ask you tomorrow. Okay, Siddharth? Thank you so much, Siddharth, for understanding. Okay, children, all of you be ready for your attendance. Yes, first, Danvin. Danvin. Okay. Darshika. Darshika.
Unit KG.
Very good, Darshika. Devarakshita.
Yes, ma'am, சொல்லு. Good morning, ma'am, சொல்லு. Present, ma'am, சொல்லு பாப்பா.
Only present,
Present,
ma'am,
ma'am.
you say enough.
Present, ma'am. Say
Hi,
louder.
good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Sound
Very happy to see you, Devarakshita. Really, I'm very happy to see you one
Thank you,
more
sir.
time. Okay, thank you. Thank you so much, Devarakshita. Next is Dev Krish. Dev Krish. Okay. Dikshan is absent. Okay. Farnaz.
Good
Farnaz.
morning, ma'am. I am Farnaz. I am studying in Duna Dedi.
Very good. Janavi.
I'm Hasni.
Okay. Ashni, I have already marked that person. Ashni.
My name is Asha. I'm junior KG.
Very good, Ashni. Janavi.
I am junior KG.
Very good, Janavi. Kartikeyan. Very good, Kavyani.
Good morning, Manila ma'am. My name is Kalyani. I'm studying in
Junior
junior KG.
KG. Nightek.
My name is Naiti. I am studying in junior KG.
Nukshita.
My name is Nuchita. I am studying junior KG.
Very good, Pranita. Yes,
Good
Pranita.
morning, Mama. I am Brenda. I am studying junior KG.
Very good, Ritvik. 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 Ritvik is not there. Okay, Rohita. Rohita.
My name is Ajay Forest Junior KG.
Okay, Satvika. Satvika.
My name is Satika Smith. I am studying in junior KG.
Very good, Satvika. Siddharth.
My name is Siddharth. I am studying in junior KG.
Tarnika. Very good. Very good, Siddharth. Taramnika.
My name is Tanika. I am studying in junior KG.
Very good. Tilakar. Tilakar. Tilakar.
Yes, ma'am.
My name is Tilakar.
I just told you junior KG.
Okay. Oh my God, I forgot. Sorry. Ritvik, I think you have joined. Ritvik. 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 Okay, no problem. Vidyut. Vidyut.
I am Vitu studying in junior KG.
High five, Vidyut. High five first. High five. Good boy. Very good boy. Vishank. Vishank.
My name is Vishal.
My name is Sasank. I am in junior KG.
Okay, thank you, Vishank. Vivan. Ready? Ready?
Good morning, ma'am. My name My name is JD. I am 4 years old. I am Jigar.
Okay, very good, children. I want all of you to first clap your hands loudly.
Ritvik has
Because
joined. You just check with Ritvik also.
Ritvik, I called him, ma'am.
Yeah, that time he left. Again they joined.
Okay, Ritvik. Ritvik.
Ma'am, I am Ricky. I am studying in junior KG.
Well done, Ritvik. Children, Sai Nitesh. Sai Nitesh here? Sai Nitesh is absent. Children, all of you clap your hands, children. Thank you so much. We won activity. Sai Nitesh. So clap your hands, all of you. I want all of you to clap your hands loudly. Thank you so much, children. All of you have joined the session. For that, I am going to play you a rhyme, baby shark rhyme. Yes, you all need the rhyme? Yes or no? Don't want? How many of you need the rhyme? Come on, tell me. Raise your hand those who need baby shark rhyme. Who wants baby shark rhyme? Baby shark do do. Who wants? Nobody? Yes? Vishank wants. Very good, Vishank. Okay, I'll tell you now, okay?
I want, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, children, did you all enjoy the rhyme? Yes, did you all enjoy that? Yes, children? Yes, it was nice, right? Okay, children. Yesterday we learnt about, first we'll finish our concept, okay? Yesterday we learnt about fruits, that too half-cut fruits, right? Today we are going to learn about healthy and unhealthy food. Okay? What do you mean?
Mom, one more
Yes,
time.
Steady, we are already running out of time, Steady.
One more time.
Tomorrow definitely I'll play for you, okay?
One more time.
Tomorrow definitely I'll play for you, Zeddy. Okay, it's already time up. We have to do our worksheets also, right? Okay, thank you so much, Zeddy. Okay, children. Thank you so much. Okay, healthy and unhealthy food. Now I'm going to ask you, what do you mean by healthy food? What do you mean by healthy food? Who is going to say? Yes, what do you mean by healthy food? Who will say? Tarnika, what do you mean by healthy food? What do you mean by healthy food? What do you mean by that? When you take that type of foods, all the healthy food, what will happen in your body? What will happen in your body? You will get energy, yes, and you will be healthy. Okay. And what do you mean by unhealthy food, children? Unhealthy food. What do you mean by unhealthy food? Yes, Vishank. What do you mean by unhealthy food? Yes, what is unhealthy food, Vishank? Think and say, what is unhealthy food? Think. Very good, Vishank. High five, Vishank. Very good. High five. Yeah, very good. Not at all good for health. No. It's not good for your health. Okay. So they are called as unhealthy food. Okay. So now can you tell me what are all the unhealthy food, children? Yes, Siddharth. Tell me what are all unhealthy food?
Burger is not tasty.
Yes?
Burger,
Okay, not.
noodles.
Okay, burger, pizza, noodles are all not good for health. So they are unhealthy food, junk food. Okay. And what are all the healthy food? Come on, tell me. Who is going to say? Nitik. What are all the healthy food, Nitik? Yes, Nitik. What are all the healthy food, Nitik? Yes? Idli dosa.
Dosa.
Then, except idli dosa, apart from idli dosa,
Chapati.
fruits, vegetables. These are also healthy food, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes or no? Nod your head either like this or like this.
Yes.
Yes, fruits and vegetables are healthy or not healthy?
Healthy.
Healthy. Okay, now children, all of you look at the screen. I am going to show you some items and you are going to find out which is healthy and which is not healthy. Okay, now we are going to do one action. If it is a healthy food, everyone look at the screen now. Yes, everyone look at the screen. I want all of you to look at the screen. Okay, if it is a healthy food, you are going to show like this. Yes, if it is a healthy food, what you will do? You have to show your arms. If it is a not healthy food, unhealthy food, have to show like this. Yes, if I am showing unhealthy food, you will show like this. If it is a healthy food, you will show like this. Are you all ready? Ready for the activity? Yes. First, I am going to show you. Healthy or unhealthy? Show me the action. Healthy. Very good, Tarnika. Healthy. You have to show like this, children. Healthy. Okay. Now, yes. Tilakar. Super Tilakar. Very nice, Tilakar. Unhealthy. Very good, Tarshika. Unhealthy. Yes, you have to show like this. No. Unhealthy. Nightek. Zooming in, zooming out. Come on, do the actions, Nightek. And then, healthy or unhealthy? Healthy means you have to show like this. Unhealthy means you show like this. Healthy or unhealthy? Rohita, healthy or unhealthy? Come on. Darshika. Healthy or unhealthy, Darshika?
Healthy and
Okay, very good children. Now, another one I'm going to show.
Less unhealthy. Illa.
Healthy or unhealthy? Healthy or unhealthy? Very good, Ritvik. Wonderful, Ritvik. Good boy. Tilakar also good boy. Yes, Raita, mute yourself, Raita. Just do the action, Kana, okay? And then... Healthy? Unhealthy? Yes, children. Very good. Vidyut. Healthy or unhealthy? Very good, Nukshita. Good children. Very good. Darshika also good. Healthy, okay? And then finally, I have another item. This definitely Vishank has to show me. Kavyani. No. Siddharth, it is healthy for you. I know it is healthy for you. Children, those who like chocolates, you say it is healthy. Naughty children, you people are. Huh? It is not healthy, children. If you eat lot of chocolates, you will get worms in your stomach. Okay? So don't eat too much of chocolates. Okay? So chocolate is also an unhealthy food. Yes, Vishank? Understood? Eating more chocolates, you will get worms in your stomach. Okay? So please, children, don't eat too much of chocolates. Okay? Okay, children. Thank you so much, children. And now, which is your favorite snack item? Come on, tell me. Who is going to say? Everyone. Okay, come on, go inside. I want all of you to bring an item and show it to me. Your snack item. I am going to see whether it is a healthy food or unhealthy food. Come on, fast. Fast, children. Come on. Go inside and bring a snack. Vishank is ready. Healthy food. Very good. Next. Whatever you have, you bring. Let us see whether it is a healthy food or unhealthy food. All of you go inside and bring. Come on. Everyone go inside and bring. Apple. Rohita brought a healthy food. Yes, Satvika, you brought biscuits. Biscuits are also not good for health, Satvika. Okay? Don't take too much. Okay? Next, Anita brought a health food. Yeah. All of you mute yourself. All of you mute yourself. I'm seeing everyone in it. Everyone mute yourself. Come on. All of you mute yourself. I'm going to see from you. I'm not going to call you. Yes, ma. Mute yourself. I'll see you. Okay? Everyone mute yourself. Come on. Yes. Vishank, healthy food. Rohita, healthy food. Darshika, healthy food. And then Kavyani. It is not a healthy food, Kavyani. Okay? It is not a healthy food, ma. Okay? Next. Vidyut, healthy food. Tarnika. What did you bring, Tarnika? Hide and seek biscuit. No, don't eat too much of biscuits, children. Biscuits are also unhealthy food, okay? And then Siddharth, good. Janvi, what did you bring? Zeddy, good. Yes, what did you bring, Janavi? Nuts. Very good, Janavi. Very good, Janavi. And then Vivan. Vivan, what did you bring? Yes, Vivan, what did you bring?
The biscuits.
Yes? What did you bring, Vivan? Sorry. Biscuits. Too much of biscuits are also not good for health, Vivan. Okay? Tilakar, what did you bring? Apple. I think it's apple. Very good. Children, most of you brought healthy food. Pomegranate. Very good. Sorry, I thought it's apple. Pomegranate, very healthy. Kavyani, very good. You changed your snack to fruits, right? Very good. Very good. Yes, Daddy. Yes, Daddy. Banana. It's also a healthy food. Okay, children. Now, whenever you get a snack, you have to differentiate whether it is a healthy food or unhealthy food. Even if your mama or daddy, whoever buys for you, to tell them it is not a healthy food, I don't need that. Okay, children, will you all do that? Okay, now I'm going to show you some unhealthy food. Shall we see? Yes. See here. Unhealthy food. Are you all able to see the screen? Yeah. Okay. Unhealthy food. What is this, Zaddy? Zaddy, what is this? Zaddy? Okay. Siddharth, what is it, Siddharth? Siddharth?
What is this? Pizza Savakuvad.
I asked, what is it? Pizza. Is it a healthy food? What is the action? Action. Lift your hands and show like this. No. Okay. Next word. Next word, Nightek. Nightek is ours. Nightek is feeling very absent today here. Nightek. Okay, Parna. Nightek, where are you, Nightek? Have come to my presentation, Nightek. See here. What is in the screen? What is in the screen, Nightek?
Ma'am, we are not able to see it.
Yeah, you pin vanilla P. Presentation will be there.
Presentation. Okay.
Another vanilla P with arrow mark it will be.
Oh, okay, okay. Yeah.
Now can you see?
Yes.
Yeah, thank you. What is it? Yeah, what is it, Nightek? Burger is good? Healthy or unhealthy?
Unhealthy.
Wow, very good, Nightek. Next is Farnaz. Farnaz, tell me what is this? Donut. Healthy or unhealthy? No, unhealthy. No. Okay. And next is, who is going to say this? Vishank. I'm going to ask only Vishank. Vishank?
Chocolates.
Yeah, Vishank. Vishank, what is this? Oh my God, look at his eyes. Smelly chocolate. Chocolate. Very happy to see chocolates, Vishank. Is it healthy or unhealthy? Healthy or unhealthy? Yes, you like it, I know. But it is unhealthy, okay? Should not eat too much of chocolates, Vishank.
Only talking about colors, ma'am. He doesn't eat, but the way he reacts is shocking to us every time.
Okay. Okay, then means you must say no, it's unhealthy. Okay? Okay, Vishank? Okay. Next is Tarshika. Tarshika. What is this, Darshika?
What is that?
What all you can see here? Come on, tell me. Yes? Louder, ma. What can you see in this? Darshika,
What is that?
what is this? Look at Lays, then
This is
French fries. Next, Kurkure, bingo chips and all. Yes, are these good or healthy or unhealthy? Healthy or unhealthy? Unhealthy. Look at your eyes. Very good. It seems you never eat chips like this, right?
all
Yes,
are
very good. Yes, you eat chips. Darshika. Okay, Darshika. No, don't eat too much of chips, Darshika. Okay? It is unhealthy. Okay, next. Who is going to say this? It's going to be Devarakshita. It's going to be Devarakshita. Devarakshita. Are you there?
Yeah, miss.
Yes, Devarakshita. What is this? Look at the screen. Ice cream. Very good. You like ice cream very much? No, you don't like. Why? It is
Say no.
unhealthy.
Like this.
Unhealthy. Very good. Very good. Very high five, Devarakshita. High five.
In the
High
type
five.
good, miss type good.
High
Yes.
five. Yes, very good. Well done. Very good girl, Devarakshita. Okay, children, end of this. Ice cream, chips, and then chocolates, donuts, burger, pizza are all, finally they are all unhealthy food. Okay, children, and today's worksheet, it is also going to be based on this only. Shall we do today's worksheet, children? Be ready with your worksheet. And today's worksheet is D46 CT. It's going to be D46 CT. Yes,
D46.
circle all the unhealthy food items. Before that, I want you to write the date and your name. Okay? Today's date is 3/9/2020. Today's date is 3/9/2020. Yes, then write your name, children. Keep it in the fridge. Ready, children? Yes. Now, shall we circle the unhealthy food? Yes, now we are going to circle the unhealthy food. Be ready, okay? Yes, apple is healthy or unhealthy? Come on, children, tell me, apple is healthy or unhealthy? Yes, Ritvik, apple is healthy or unhealthy? Healthy food, so don't circle. Okay, banana is healthy food. Tarnika, banana is healthy food. Tarnika, banana is healthy food, Tarnika. Yes, so don't circle. French fries, no, it is unhealthy food, so circle. And then milk, it is a healthy food, don't circle. Curd is a healthy food, don't circle. And then chocolates, one more time, unhealthy food. Okay, and then you have chapati here, it's healthy. Dal here, it is also healthy. And then you have cornflakes, I think. Okay, cornflakes are also preserved. You might circle or you may not circle. We'll circle it, okay? Nowadays, these two are also not healthy, children. Okay. Next is ice cream. Yes, finish, children. Yes, very good, children. So, what all you circle, children? French fries, chocolate, cornflakes, and ice cream. 4 items we have circled under unhealthy food. Okay? Yes, children? Okay, next we are going to do our maths worksheet. It's D46 MT. Be ready with your math worksheet, children. D46 MT. Children, write the date, write your name. First, you write the date and name, and then we'll start writing, okay? Okay. Who is going to count along with me today? Who will count with me? Yes. Who is going to count, Ma? Raise your hand. Let me see who wants to count with me. Yes? Janavi. Okay, come on, Janavi. That's my girl. Come on. Okay, ready? Yeah, 10. Wait. Let me circle. Wait. You're going too fast. I'm doing it very slowly. No, wait. Group of 10, 20, and then 30. Next is, what is this, Janavi?
31,
Hmm.
32,
Hmm.
33.
Yes, 33. Very good, Janavi.
Ladybug.
3 Janavi. Sorry, 33. See, Janavi, I'm getting your name. 33.
Okay, right. Start right.
Children, don't write 33 like that. Since it's the same number, finish it fully, okay? Write 33. Spell and write, children. 33. Yes, everyone is doing. Good. Vishank. Come on, write, ma, Vishank. Sit and write. Naitek, are you sleepy, Naitek? Naitek, where is your mama today, Naitek?
She is in call.
Okay.
Yeah, that's what.
Okay, no problem.
Uh,
Yes.
Finished.
Tarnika, very good, Tarnika. Good. Finish, everyone finish? Danvin. Yes. See here, ma'am. Your book is upside down. Yes, Rohita finished. Siddharth finished. Tarnika finished. Pranita finished. Danvin finished. And then who else? Parnas finished, ma? Yes, finish, Parnas. Parnas, what are you keeping it in your mouth? That's good. Very good, children. Everyone finished? Yes. Yes, good. Ashni, very good, Ashni. Devarakshita finished?
Finished.
Wow, Devarakshita. Very good girl. Well done, Devarakshita.
Thank
Good
you,
girl.
Sula.
Thank you. Welcome. Okay, next. Children, if you have finished, we'll move on to our next worksheet. It's going to be language worksheet. Before that, I'm going to show you. It's going to be alphabet P. Okay, today we are going to learn small letter P. Okay. Yes, this is going to be a letter we are going to learn today. It is P, children. Okay, capital P and small p. Okay, so P for P sounds. H, h, h. What is the rhyme for P? Can anybody sing for me? P rhyme. Who will sing? Who knows the rhyme? Puff for the candles. Who knows?
Tanika, ma'am.
Yeah, Tarnika. Come on, Tarnika. Very good girl.
Papa Nika certificate. Papa 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 Nika certificate. Papa.
Children, you are all very busy in writing. Please don't do that. First, look at the screen, learn the alphabet, and then you can write. You have lot of time after the session also. You can write. Okay, so 1 hour I'm going to be here to teach you. So please look at the screen. Okay, afterwards also you can write. Slowly you can write. No problem in that. Janavi, I want you to look at the screen, Janavi. Everyone look at the screen. Please look at the screen. Devarachita, sorry, Darshika. Everyone, very good. P. What alphabet is this? P. Capital P, small p. P for pillow. P for pig. P for what is it, Janavi? What is it? Panda. Very good. P for panda. Then P for Kavyani. P for yes. P for parrot. Okay. Next is P for peach. Okay. And then next is P for peanut. Peanut. Okay. And then P for Darshika. What is it? P for papa. Penguin. Very good, Darshika. And then P for Devarakshita. What is it? P for papa.
Pumpkin.
Very good. P for pumpkin. And then P for Danvin. What is it, Danvin? P for piano. Very good, children. So P for piano, P for pumpkin, P for penguin, P for peanut, P for peach, P for parrot, P for panda, P for pig, and P for pillow. Okay, children, now ma'am is going to come back. You are going to do your worksheet, and the worksheet number is D46LT. Yes, this will be your worksheet. First, you have to do it with your pointer finger, children. Keep it in the number 1, put a standing line, and come to number 2, put a curve. P. Those who have lines here, right here. Those who don't have lines here, you can carry on with this page. Okay, what is the action for P? All of you look here, look at ma'am, children. What is the action for P? Do it. Everyone do it. P. Piano. Pillow. Panda. Penguin. Peach. Keep your finger in your mouth like this and say puff for the candles on the pink pig cake. Puff, puff, puff. Puff, puff, puff. Puff for the candles on the pink pig cake. Puff, puff, puff. Okay? Now all of you do it. Come on, P. Those who have this sheet, you can do. On those who are having this sheet, they can do this sheet. Okay? Okay. Finish it, children. If you finish half of the sheet is also okay. We are having greater number, smaller number activity today. Come on, finish it fast. Is after finishing it, I want all of you to take your slate and write these two numbers in your slate. After writing your P worksheet, if you have finished half the worksheet also, it's okay. Finish it, take your slate and write this number. We are going to circle the greater number. P. Spell and write. Yes, Ritvik, finish?
No, ma'am.
Okay, right. Half of the worksheet, if they finish also, it's okay. Finish it later and send me. No problem. Yes, Naitek, what is the problem, Naitek? Naitek? What, ma? What happened? Naitek? Unmute and tell me, yes, Naitek. What are you doing, Naitek? Are you fighting for your worksheet? You don't know to unmute? What are you doing? Your sister is near you, right? Your sister is near you only, no? What is he doing? Fighting? No.
No.
Okay, right. Half the worksheet you finish and then you keep it aside, children. Pranita, very good, children. Do it. I'll finish off with Pranita and come. Mute yourself, Naitik. Pranita, come on, Pranita. Say yes, ma'am. Pranita, how did you find out the greater number, Pranita? Can you tell me? How did you find out the greater number? Pranita, tell me how you found out the greater number. Unmute and tell me, come on.
18.
How did you find it out? Show me, how did you find out the number? Just like that, you circled 18? No? Is that the way ma'am taught you? No, right? First, you have to look at the first number. What number is it? What number is this? 1. And here, what is the first number? 1. So, 1, 1, they are equal, okay? So, strike it out. Okay, and then what is the second number?
4.
What is it? 4, and this is?
8.
8. Now, which is the greater number? 4 or 8?
8.
8. Like that, you have to do, ma, okay? You have to think and do. You should not get help from others, okay? Yes? Okay. Very good girl. Children, finish. Now keep your worksheets aside. I want all of you to take your slate and write another number.
Another number.
Yes. 15 and 13. Come on, all of you keep your worksheets apart. Come on, keep it aside. Keep your worksheet aside. If you don't have a slate, you take your rough notebook. Write big numbers, big numbers you write. 13, 15, like that you write big numbers, okay? Yes. Okay. Pranita, mute yourself, Pranita. Pranita, mute ma. Thank you. Okay. Today Naitik is going to tell me which is the greater number, Naitik, 15 or 13?
15.
How will you say 15? How ma'am taught you?
Great number.
How ma'am taught you how to find the greater number?
5.
How ma'am taught you to find the greater number?
5.
5. First you have to look at the first number. What is the first number?
1. 1.
1. Here?
1.
Same number, right? So no need to take that number, you strike it out. Okay, and then you have to see the second number. What is the second number?
5.
I take what is the second
5.
number? 5. Here?
3.
3. Which is greater, 5 or 3?
5.
5. Like that, you have to circle, ma. Okay, very good, Tarnika. Very good. Good girl. Okay, next sum shall we do, children? Yes, next sum we are going to do. It is going to be 21 and 26. Come on, all of you do it and show me which is the greater number. Nobody should get help from your parents or sister or brother or father, whoever it is. Do it genuinely. Do it and show it to me. Let me see how many of you are clear with the concept. Which is the greater number? 2, 1, 21 or 2, 6, 26? Natik's sister, don't help him. Let him do on his own. Do it on your own, Natik. Siddharth, mom also don't help him. Dhanvin also should do it on your own. Everyone do it. Tarnika is doing on her own. Very good. Parnas also good. Natik, no giving hints to your sister. Come on, do it. Nukshita. Nukshita. Do ma. You do by yourself. Even if it is wrong also, okay, children. No problem in that. Do it on your own. Come on. Wow, Nukshita. Very good. Correct answer. Nukshita has given the correct answer. Who else? Parna, still doing, Kana? Siddharth, done the correct answer. Right, like how ma'am did. Very good, Siddharth. Good. Naitik also correct. Very good, Naitik. Dhanvin also good. Dhanvin, the whole number you have to circle. The whole 2, 6, 26 you have to circle. Janavi finish. Pranita good. Correct. Rohita do. Parnas correct. Parnas, first number if it is equal, you strike it out, Parnas. First number you strike it out. See, first number is 2 here and again 2 here. Same number, right? So you strike it out. Okay, and then you go to the next number. 1, 6. Which is the greater number? 1 or 6? 6. So you have to circle 2, 6, 26. How many of you have done correctly, Kavyani? Very good, Zeddy. Super Zeddy. Well done, Zeddy. Ritvik. Satvika. Good, Satvika. Satvika did by your own. Satvika.
No,
You
ma'am.
did. You helped her?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah. More practice is needed. See, children, those who are not able to find the greater number, simple numbers, you can try it when you are free. Okay? Next is who else? Ready? Good.
Vanilla,
Ritvik, did you finish? Yes?
can you please ask Dev Krish, ma'am?
Dev Krish. Yes, Dev Krish. Come on, Dev Krish. Show me. You have done?
No, he's not able to find.
Yeah, that's what Dev Krish. Okay, I'll tell you. One more time, I'll teach you, Dev Krish. With another number, shall we do? With another number, Dev Krish? Yes? Yes. We'll do with 1, 7, 17 and 1, 9, 19. We'll do it with 1, 7, 17 and 1, 9, 19. Children, those who can't understand, please ask me. I will teach you how many times you want me to teach. I am ready to teach you, but please ask me. I will not know whether you are able to understand or not. Satvika, also listen, Satvika, carefully. Listen, Satvika. Look at the screen, ma. See here. Dev Krish, first number. Look at the first number. What is the first number here? What is the first number here? Tell me. Underline the first number. Look at the screen. First number is 1. Correct. Here, what is the first number? 1. Both are same? Same or different? Answer me. Same or different? 1, 1. Same only, right? Yes. Same number. So you strike out this one and this one. Strike out both the number. And then, Naitik, mute yourself, ma Naitik. And then we are going to move on to the next number, Devkrish. What is this number, Devkrish?
Sattama sollu.
And this number? 9. 9. Now which is the greater number? 7 or 9? Naitik. Mute yourself, Naitik. I'm asking Devkrish. Which is the greater number, 7 or 9? 9 is the greater number or 7 is the greater number? You are not able to find out. Which is greater? Open your mouth and say.
Ma'am க்கு சொல்லு சத்தமா.
Which is greater number, 7 or 9? You want 7 chocolates or you want 9 chocolates? How many you want? 9 or 7? 9, right? That means which is the greater number? 9. So you have to circle 1, 9, 19. Now understood? Understood, children? Those who are not able to understand, can you understand now? Can you understand now, Dev Krish? Okay, one more sum we are going to do, and then we'll finish it off. Okay. 2, 8, 28. 2, 2, 22. 2, 8, 28. 2, 2, 22. Yes. Yes, children. All of you do it and show it to me. Come on. Yes, do it and show it to me. Yes, who is going to finish first? Siddharth. Very good, Siddharth. Well done, Siddharth. Siddharth, are you doing it on your own?
Yes,
Siddharth? Siddharth is doing on his own?
Yes, ma'am. He's doing on his own.
Very good, Siddharth. Danvin, you did on your own?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good, Danvin. Well done, Danvin. Naitik, Ritvik. Ritvik, Zaidi, Janavi, Nukshita, Satvika, Kavyani. Come on, everyone do and show it to me. Yes. Janavi, yes, correct, Janavi. How did you find out, Janavi? How did you find out?
Same number.
Next. 8 greater number. So you circle 2, 8, 28. Super, Janavi. Very good, Janavi. Okay, next. Who else finished? Thank you, Janavi. Tarnika, Nukshita, Satvika, Dev Krish. Yes, Dev Krish. Okay, now we are able to find out Dev Krish. Yes, well done. Yes. Next. Next step. Come on, tell me the next step.
8 is a greater number. Then what?
8 or 2, which is the greater number? 8 or 2?
8 is say loudly there.
Okay, I can hear him. No problem. Very good, Dev Krish. One time I taught you and you are able to understand. I'm very happy. Thank you so much, Dev Krish. Okay. Okay, children. Next, who else? Pranita, good. Nukshita, good. Children who are not able to understand, only tell me. Everyone is able to do. Rohita, are you able to do, Rohita? Darshika, can you understand, ma? Yes, Rohita, very nice. Darshika, are you able to do?
It is conscious.
Yes, very good, Rohita. Good. Yes, Darshika, are you able to do, ma? Darshika?
No, ma'am, she's having
Yeah. Satvika. Yeah, Satvika, you need practice for then 1 digit. From 1 to 10 we'll finish, then we'll go on to the double digit numbers. Okay, Satvika? Yes?
Okay, ma'am.
Satvika, now you have to write 7 only for Satvika. This is for Satvika only. Satvika, which is the greater number? Now find out 5 and 3. Find out between 5 and 3. Which is the greater number?
Greater number.
1 now. Which is the greater number, Satvika? 5 or 3? 5 or 3?
4, 5. This is a count mark. 1, 2, 3. Is it greater? 3 or 5?
Kavyani, you circled all the number, Kavyani, what to do with this girl? Okay, children. Okay, the same way today I'll be sending you greater number, smaller number worksheet. Try to do it on your own. Okay, children? Okay, thanks for your cooperation, children. If you have any doubts, you can stay or else you can leave. Bye, children. Bye. Bye, all of you. Bye, 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 all of you. Yes, bye then. Bye, 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 everyone. Yeah, bye, bye. Bye. Yeah, bye. Bye, everyone. Bye. Hey,
Bye, ma'am.
Rashika, bye. Rashika, bye.